Life is a miracle. It is a phenomenon that has fascinated humanity for centuries, inspiring countless stories, myths, and scientific inquiries. From the vastness of the cosmos to the tiniest particles, life finds a way to thrive and evolve. We often take this miracle for granted. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we forget to marvel at the sheer improbability of our existence. Each person we pass on the street, each face in the crowd is a testament to the incredible journey of life. It all starts with a single cell. This tiny, seemingly insignificant unit holds within it the blueprint of life. It is the foundation upon which the entire human body is built, a marvel of biological engineering. This cell has the potential to become a human being. Through a series of complex and precisely timed divisions, it transforms and multiplies, gradually taking shape and form. Human development is a complex and amazing process. It begins with fertilization. This is the moment when two cells, each carrying half the genetic material needed, come together to create a new life. This is where a sperm cell meets an egg cell. The journey of the sperm is arduous, navigating through the female reproductive system to reach its destination. The sperm and egg fuse together. This fusion marks the beginning of a new genetic combination, a unique blueprint that will guide the development of a new individual. This creates a single cell called a zygote. The zygote is the first stage of human development, a single cell that will divide and differentiate into the myriad of cells that make up the human body. The zygote contains all the genetic information needed to create a new person. This genetic code, stored in the DNA, is a complex set of instructions that will guide the growth and development of the embryo. This is the very beginning of a new life. From this single cell, a new human being will emerge, growing and developing over the course of 9 months, ready to enter the world and begin their own journey. The zygote is a very special cell. It is the first cell of a new individual. Inside the zygote, incredible changes are happening. The DNA from the mother and father combine. The zygote does not stay a single cell for long. It quickly begins to divide. One cell becomes two cells become four. This process is called cell division. As the cells divide, they also start to specialize. This means they will have different jobs in the body. The zygote is on a journey. This journey begins right after fertilization, when the sperm successfully meets the egg. The union of these two cells forms a zygote, the very first stage of human development. It travels down the fallopian tube. This tube is a crucial passageway that connects the ovary to the uterus, providing the zygote with a path to its next destination. The fallopian tube connects the ovary to the uterus. As the zygote moves through this tube, it undergoes several rounds of cell division, transforming from a single cell into a multicellular structure. As the zygote travels, it continues to divide and grow. This process is known as cleavage, where the single-celled zygote divides into 2 cells, then 4, and so on. It transforms into a ball of cells. This ball of cells is called a morula, which eventually forms a hollow structure known as a blastocyst. This ball of cells is called a blastocyst. The blastocyst has an outer layer of cells and a fluid-filled cavity with an inner cell mass that will eventually develop into the embryo. The blastocyst is now ready to find a home. It reaches the uterus. The journey through the fallopian tube takes about 5 to 6 days. The uterus is where a baby grows and develops. It is a muscular organ that provides a nurturing environment for the developing embryo. The blastocyst attaches itself to the wall of the uterus. This is called implantation. During implantation, the blastocyst burrows into the uterine lining to establish a connection with the mother's blood supply. Implantation is a crucial step for the developing baby. It marks the beginning of a new phase where the embryo starts to receive nutrients and oxygen from the mother, essential for its growth and development. After implantation, the blastocyst continues to develop, embedding itself deeper into the uterine lining. This crucial step ensures that the developing embryo receives the necessary nutrients and support from the mother. The cells within the blastocyst start to differentiate, setting the stage for the formation of the embryo. It is now called an embryo. This early stage is marked by rapid cell division and the beginning of the formation of essential structures. The embryo is incredibly small, yet it holds the blueprint for an entire human being. The embryo is made up of 3 layers known as germ layers. These layers are the ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Each layer has a specific role in the development of the body's organs and systems. These layers will eventually form all the different parts of the body. The process of differentiation is complex and highly coordinated, ensuring that each cell type ends up in the right place. The outer layer, called the ectoderm, will become the skin and nervous system. This includes the brain and spinal cord, which are critical for controlling the body's functions and responses. The middle layer, known as the mesoderm, will become the muscles, bones, and circulatory system. This layer is responsible for forming the heart, blood vessels, and skeletal structure, providing the body with strength and mobility. The inner layer, called the endoderm, will become the digestive system and lungs. This includes the stomach, intestines, and respiratory system, which are essential for processing food and oxygen. These are the very first steps in the formation of a human being. Each stage is a marvel of biological engineering, with every cell playing a specific role in the development process. From a single cell, a complex and amazing life begins to emerge. The journey from a single fertilized egg to a fully formed human is a testament to the wonders of nature and the intricacies of life. Understanding these early stages helps us appreciate the miracle of life. Each moment in this process is a step towards the creation of a new individual, highlighting the beauty and complexity of human development.